I mentor a lot of people, and a lot of people come into the game. I know you can attest to this. They come into the game and they give up very easily. You know, when they see these L's take place, they give up very easily. But this gentleman right here never did that. Caught on quick. You know, I never seen nobody catch on quick to the concept of what we doing. And when I say this guy catch on quick, he catch on quick. So I want to bring up Ty Money real quick. Ty Money. All right, I'm gonna do a. See what you got. Start from the lows all the way up. Let's see what. Never second guess yourself neither. I feel like that's the biggest thing too. I tell a lot of people don't second guess. They say I feel like when you get this skill, you get so good at it, you like, damn, like, do I really? Don't ever second guess yourself. That first thought is always right. Come on, man. That's beast mode right there. Maybe I should have brought somebody else up. All right, y'all, give it up. Good job, Ty. That's how y'all should be able to do it. Come up here, whip it up quick, all right? It don't take you long at all to look at a chart and say, all right, it's an uptrend. You should be able to make money just like that. So, yeah, basically what he had was a uptrend. So anytime you do an uptrend, it's higher highs. And what I wait for is for the market to come back down to that higher low, that floor. So when that market hit that floor and it's bouncing, that's what I personally like to get in at. Because like you said, that impulse move up, that higher high he showed, most times when it goes up like that, that's a breakout. Like you said, it's impulse. You can't catch that most times. But what you can count on and catch, and like you said, the confirmations, you wait for the market to retrace. This is that higher low. Buy low is what they say. And most times you can get in right here comfortably and less risk to make money. So that's what he was doing, an uptrend. That's beast mode. This is too easy for y'all. What you got for me?
So I would definitely say the reason why this right here is so important is because a lot of people like to trade off what they believe and not what they see. And that's the biggest mistake in trading right now, right? So if you guys notice, market is obviously dropping lower low, LL, that's what that means, and the lower high, lower LH. That tells you everything you need to know.
A lot
Sell
of
it.
times when it breaks this low, it might retest that area again.
Just like that.
Right here. Exactly. It's almost on that same level. So when you notice it went back up to retest this support that it recently broke, that is a good confirmation to get on that downtrend.
Exactly.
There you go.
Yep.
Just like here, after it broke this low, it might potentially go back up and retest it. You know, and that's another opportunity to get it.
Yep. Yeah, you got it.
Most of you guys participate in what we call the 120 challenge. And I'll break down the 120 challenge. The 120 challenge is where we take $3,000 and we turn it to $100,000, all right? And this process has been, as most of you guys can attest, we had little bumps in the road, but most of this process has been fun. You know, most people haven't ever seen $100,000. They never even had this opportunity. So this is my way of celebrating y'all and saying I appreciate you for having faith in me, and I want you to wear this with proudness and show people, you know, when you do. Yeah.
Thank you.
But like I said, man, this is the second person. And like I said, he been rocking with me for a while, even before that. But it's the only thing I can say about Ked, man. Ked hasn't even said some of the numbers that this guy done reached. But, you know, he reached some crazy numbers trading Bitcoin. That's why I call him Bitcoin Ked. And this is once again a celebration and my appreciation, man.
Thank you, sir. Oh, this is nice. I love this.
Hey, so the next rings are when we reach 7 figures, right?
And that payout.
All right, all right.
All right, Ty Money, you want to come up for me? So yeah, like I said, Ty Money, man, is one of the fastest learners of the 120 Dreamers, and I mean that. I want to just say that Ty, man, like I said, it's different from meeting somebody in person like these guys did and meeting somebody online. You got to have a lot of faith in somebody. So I give props to Ty just for having faith and not seeing me and want to get down with me. So, sorry, man.
All right, all right.
Stay right there for me. All right, Reno, you want to come up?
Yo.
He's, I'm waiting. I'm ready.
Sir.
So, funny story about me and Reno. Most people don't know this, but me and Reno met doing network marketing years. People don't know that, but me and him was on the same network marketing team with Wake Up Now. What was it? Another one called Disrupt. So, we was brought together by a brother named Duro YG. And me and him been kicking it ever since. So, it's only right to, keep you right. So, this is, it's on you.
Oh, snap.
Jay, you ready for me? All right, so I got a story for everybody, man. So this guy right here knew me since I was little. We was playing in his dad's gym, so that's how we met. And he took a faith, and rocking with us and getting out on the 120 challenge. And this is Jeremy, everybody.
Yeah. Pull it out for the people, yeah.
All right, last but not least, this gentleman right here, when I say he really knew me since I was a little kid, he really knew me since I was a little kid. Growing up in the neighborhood, inspiring us through sports, keeping us out of trouble. This is what it's all about, paying it forward and like giving back to the little kids. And he's the person that does that all the time. So I want to bring Juice to the stage.
Ooh.
So I'll get a picture real quick and then we'll just. Y'all ready?
For one, bro, what you got going on with the community is fire, man. And it's the inspiration, Like I said, I know I'm new to y'all, but I've been in the community for some time, and I didn't know you did Wake Up Now.
Yeah. Yep.
When,
Wake up now, man.
that's crazy, because that's what I did Wake Up Now, too.
Oh, wow. Really? You did this?
Yeah, that's crazy. So yeah, that's what got me into like this whole making money online journey. So I did Wake Up Now, and then I got into binary options, and I realized like that's trash, and I got introduced into Forex. That's crazy. So yeah, that's dope. But man, I love it though. But everything you're doing for the community, bro, for sure, man. Definitely, you gotta let people know like this right here is fire. You're just giving out rings. I don't even know any other. I don't even do that for my community. And I was just like, dang, should I even put this out in my, But honestly, nah, man, it's nothing but love, man. This is really dope what you got going on, and just what you're doing to everybody here. Teaching them and just keeping it super simple. Like everybody here knows what the trend is, and that's the most important part about trading is just following the trend. People say the trend is your friend, but I got another source of others that will say the trend isn't your friend. So it's all about what you see. That's what you trade. If it's going down, it's going down. You trade that way. So
I want to explain another thing too. Because like I said, I appreciate each and every one of these guys that trusted in me, and I can't leave y'all out there like I said I wouldn't. A part of the 120 challenge, we're gonna get into the explanation of that. The 120 challenge, like I said, is all powered by a prop firm. So I want E to explain what the prop firm is, because he's more closer on the inside of the prop firms and the benefits of that. And most of you guys have already partaken in that and in that process now, but you probably don't know what's going on. So I want to take the time to explain what you guys have got into. So kind of explain to them, what is a prop firm?
yeah, so basically a prop firm is essentially where a broker will give you power money to trade, like leverage, right? So let's say like Chase Bank would say, you know what, I like you're very skilled at trading. I'm gonna give you $100,000. However, you can't take it out the account. It's money to build it, but I'm gonna give you like $100,000 to trade with. And the beauty of a prop firm is that you have that flexibility to kind of skip past that starting $100 account, $500 account, and you can literally make $4,000 or $5,000, $10,000. Like you can grow your account, off of a prop firm with the $100K, $200K, $300K. I think there's one even $400K and $1 million. So the beauty of having a prop firm is real good because you have that ability to scale it very fast, with that money. So I definitely feel like, yeah.
Yeah, and it's like you said, like it's just a simple process. I would, like I said, when I first started, it was just like me building my own money. So I would rather I can't say I either. Well, I like both ways, but I mean, look at it now. Like you can start with your own money and then take a little bit. You fail, then you got to start over. Or, you know, you buy a prop firm like most of us did, right? And we run it up. You know, we make small mistakes to do it again. But like I told you guys, the vision is, hey, if I get access to 100,000, who cares if I, you know, fail the first time, the second time? Get back up, do it again. Because when I get that payout, I'm working with 20, 10, whatever. That's life-changing money. So that's the goal. But I think with the prop firms that I want to explain is that when we do get started with prop firms, most people just trade the money. And with the 120 challenge, we didn't do that. You still can do that, but we didn't do that route. We did the automation route. So most of these guys are automated. You know, they have the software, and we've automated everything. You know, so it's, you know, they not at the pay where, you know, it's like you're manually trading in the markets, but you can. But most of these guys just like it's automation. So you can do both. I want to let you guys know that. You can manually trade. Now that you guys are able to see, like, okay, I can automate this thing, but now I want to kind of take my time and manually trade. So I just want to kind of take the time to explain what prop firms are. You guys got any questions so far about prop firms? Anything? Just throw them out there. It don't matter. Because it's the time to get the clarity that you need. Some prop firms are different, but I think Nova is bi-weekly. Yeah, some prop firms will be like you say, make you hold your profit. Some prop firms will allow you to withdraw right away. But they, like you said, they all have set rules. And I think that's another thing to talk about, and I want to take a little time to explain that too. Prop firms have set rules, you know, so, you know, they are giving you this money, but you give me $100,000, you can only lose 8,000, right? Some may have 10,000, but they all have set rules for you to follow. And in my eyes, I don't see it as a bad thing if you give me access to $100,000 and I can go run it up, in my opinion. So you do have to stick within that overall loss, 10%. And then daily, like most of you guys seen, you have to stick within 4,000. And from what I've seen, 4,000 is a lot of money to lose in one day. And no, it is. Comparison to what I used to see, like props. Yeah, because prop firms, they didn't used to allow you. They used to let you do what, 2% a day, 3%? That's nothing. Now they let you do 4%. So once you stick within those parameters and no weekend trading, most of them don't do weekend trading. What's another set rule that they do? I can't think of another one. Yeah, news, you can't treat, you know. But as long as you stick within those rules, you're golden, you know. Some say you can't hedge. So hedge mean that you're taking a sell and a buy order on 2 separate accounts at the same time. So they don't want you to double dip. So like you in one account and then you got a whole nother account and you trying to sell and buy, they gonna catch that. And that's the goal too, you know. Like I told y'all before, that's the goal. We run it up with the prop firm, like I told you, and we take that money, like he said, and we put it in our live account. We're not here to stay around with these prop firms and play around with them, even though they're nice, right? Get our money, automation, whatever, and we withdraw that money and put it into a live account. Or like you said, most of you guys not traders, investors, that's cool. You got 20 bands, now what, right? So that's the thought. You know, when you get your withdrawal, then what? What you gonna do with it now, you know? So you have to have a plan, you know. So I know most of these guys I've told, like, you know, you could put into another account and compound that. Like I said, you can use the money for whatever you want it, you know. But I know a few people out here got businesses and whatnot. So I know they'll be investing into that, you know what I'm saying? We tapped in. But yeah, like I said, that's the end goal, you know. I always like to tell people, and I'm done after this, I like to tell people, even me, I'm 120 dreams all day. I'm not passionate about, you know, certain things, but I'll use it. I'll leverage it. I'll get my payout and then put it towards what I'm really caring about, and that's the goal. I don't care what y'all say. You take this money and put it towards what you really care about. That's what I do. I'm going to continue to do that, and that's the end goal. You use it as a financial vehicle is what I like to call it. Just look at it as a financial vehicle.
That's pretty much it.
Yes, sir.
Gotta have the end goal. As long as you got the end goal, you got it, honestly. Once again, I appreciate you coming through.
We appreciate you for having us, man. What y'all think? This is an awesome space. I told this gentleman this is an awesome space. What y'all think?
I want to talk to you, but I want to give out a live, not a live account, but a free challenge account off of who I'm sponsored with for my community to one of your members. So I don't know how you want to go about with that, but I'm able to give out a $200K free account. $200K free account with a prop firm that our community trades with, which is Funder Pro. That's a prop firm. You get unlimited trading days. You can do payout every Monday. They have the 5% daily drawdown rule. 12% is the max. So it's pretty standard. So yeah, man, whatever, it's on you, man. However you want to go, you ain't got to mention it out. If you want to mention it out, it's on you. They're the ones that handles pretty much 90% of the prop firms that y'all probably trade. Yeah, Funder Pro, Funder Pro. So yeah, man, I want to throw that in the air.
Gotta bring Juice back up to the stage, man. 'Cause like I say, man, he's really had a huge impact on my life, man. Like I say, man, Juice, like I say, man.
Hey, for sure, man, for sure. Definitely gonna chat it up and let you know what's the details on that. Man, that's what's up. But no, man, me and Mike definitely got a lot of opportunities that's coming later down the road. I mean, honestly, I don't know if we can even dab into what we finna start doing, but me and him was even talking about starting our own prop firm. I already have the connects to do all of that. I got the resources. Like I said, Funder Pro is one I'm sponsored under, but I know the whole development team under there. Really tapped into like a lot of good traders. I know he's also tapped into a lot as well. So yeah, we working on some things. I also got a app that I'm creating right now. It's a trading journal app that will literally track all your trades and stuff like that. I will even give one, but I can't give it now because it's in beta. It's too much going on with that. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a lot. So yeah, y'all in the right room for sure. Y'all in the right room with wonderful people, even yourselves and everybody around y'all too as well. So we're all connected, and I just want y'all to know, like, we got each other. We got to, because we in Chicago. Like, I don't think y'all know Miami turned up in trading, right? Y'all know that, right? We got to be ones in Chicago. Like, we got to be the frontier of Chicago. And I feel like this room is small, but I was even telling Mike, like, man, we can grow this and get more people in and just build a thing out here in Chicago, and I feel like we got to. If we all stick together, we got this. Facts, for sure. Facts. So, yeah, that's it. Appreciate y'all.